This is where they can make it or break done. This is where the details matter. This is where you have to come make your checklist. I'm gonna make a list of things that they haven't done. I'm gonna make a list of any changes that I wanna have done. What's going on, everybody? Corey Wright here, Legacy Wealth Group. We got our latest episode, turning a duplex into a BRRRR or a flip. Episode 4 going down. We're about 80% done with this project. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. We got the cabinets done, floors done, paint is done. But look, we are not finished with this project. A lot of property owners, investors, this is where they can make it or break it. The house looks done, it shows well. I'll show you around with the video. You're almost to the finish line and you're like, man, just let the guys get it done. I'll show up when it's done. This is where the details matter. This is where you have to come make your checklist. I'm here before my contractors got here. I'm gonna go through and itemize everything for a plumber, electrician, HVAC, countertop. I'm gonna make a list of things that they haven't done. I'm gonna make a list of any changes that I wanna have done, stuff that now that I see the layout that I want done, I'm gonna make a full list that I can go to them, meet with them individually and say, hey, here's your 5 things you gotta do. Here's your punch list. This is the details. I need to dig deep into the paint, into the cabinets. Do they close the right way? Hey, these ones are missing handles. I gotta get some handles on them. You know, is the paint on the ceiling the right way? This is where it'll make or break you before you try and rent it, before you try and sell it. Also with your contractors, this is where you have the leverage play. You know, we are getting to the end where everybody wants the bag. Everybody wants to make the money. Me as an investor, I want to get it rented or sold. The electrician, he wants to get paid. The contractor wants to get paid. Everyone's chasing the money at this point because we've been on this project for a couple months. But right now is crucial. The money is the leverage for everybody. Your money and how you pay the contractor is how you get most of them to show up. Hey, I don't mind giving them a buffer. I don't mind giving them a paycheck to keep it going, but you can't pay them out until the property passes your inspection as the homeowner, not the city, but your personal inspection, walking around, making sure everything works on this property. Man, I hope you enjoyed this quick episode, walking around. We're in the living room. As you can see, it's vaulted. Man, this one, I'm probably leaning towards selling it at this point. I do think we have a good rental market. So I'll definitely check out the rental market, see what that's looking like, talk to my lenders about refinancing this one, turn it into a BRRRR. So I will go after those options. Right now, we're going into the spring market here in Minnesota. Everything's ticking up. Things are starting to sell. So if I got a good number, hey man, I might just sell this to a family, get it done with. But you know, one thing in this area that I will be doing is staging. That's one thing that'll be on here is staging. You got to stage this. I stage every single property I do, whether it be a rental or a flip, I always stage them. So this space right here, you know, it's wide open, it's echoey. You got to get it staged. If you get this staged, you will get top dollar. So look, we have some other episodes going on. We got a luxury flip out in Prior Lake. We have the Legacy Center, the commercial building coming. Check out those episodes. That's a 70,000 square foot investor playground that we're putting together, co-workspace, entrepreneurs. The Prior Lake one is what I'm known for, my luxury flips. Take a look at that video, click on the link. You know, we have them right here where you can check out the Legacy Center. Check out some of our other members. We have a ton of Legacy members that are also giving their stories on what they're doing. And my favorite, check out the video. Would you rather have $1 million cash or 1 million followers? Hey, see you guys on the next one.